In this video, I'm going to review AntBot for the last 2 months. Okay, this is a bot for Binance Futures trading. So you can see here, this is my Binance Futures. You can see I can refresh the page. And the bot that I'm using is called AntBot. Now on this channel, I already made a full playlist for the AntBot videos. So I already make a lot of tutorial for this. So in this video, I just want to update it for the last 2 months. So you can see here, I started back in January 27th. I will show you a screenshot here from my phone. So you can see this is January 26th. Okay, this is when I started playing with Binance Futures. Okay, this is my first time in January 27. I basically top up $10 into Binance Future wallet. Okay, I started with $10 and then I playing manual on Binance Futures. You know, I get myself accustomed to Binance Futures trading. And then on that day, I added another $500, as you can see right there, and that is when I first using the bot. And you can see this is my first profit, and this was AntBot old interface. You can see right there, and I noticed the bot making consistent profit, so I was very interested in the bot. Okay, so what I did back then, guys, I learned it myself. Okay, I go to Telegram group. I learned from those members, from AntBot members. You know, I spent 30-50 hours. Okay, I'm learning. I reading all the chats on the Telegram group for people playing AntBot. You know, I noticed people making a lot of money. Some people get liquidated. You know, it was very fun, guys. Now, fast forward today, you can see here my initial investment now, okay, in April now is 2,700. Okay, because I withdraw some of them, and right now I'm already making 4,800. If you want to see the wallet balance, it's already 5,000. So it's over $2,000 profit for the last 2 months. Okay, and I hate the guy who make this claim without showing the proof. Okay, I will show you the proof, because you know, I myself, I don't believe other people, you know, talking about something without showing a proof. So I will show you the proof, the transfer right here. So everything that comes to your wallet, okay, to your Binance wallet, to your Binance Futures wallet, can be tracked right here. Okay, I will show you back in January 26th. Okay, because this data cannot be changed, cannot be manipulated, cannot be deleted. Okay, this is a real data from Binance itself. You can see the date right there and the time. This is my first time transferring $10 to my account. Okay, then I added 500, I added 492. So total is kind of $1,000. You can see I added BNB. BNB, I just use it to pay for the fees, trading fees. And then I add 500 right there. So already 1,500, another 500, 2,500, 2,500, 2,000, 4,500, another 2,000, 6,500. Okay, that's my total investment up until March. Okay, you can see here, every time I make a deposit here, I put it inside my spreadsheets, okay, so that I know when I added the money and what is my total, when I added the BNB. You can see all the data here. You know, I'm tracking this myself because I want to know at the end of the day, how much profit did we make by using the bot, right? That's what we want to know. And then fast forward April, you can see I did make a withdrawal. Okay, I withdraw $1,000 here, 750 and $50. So total on April 1st, I withdraw $1,800. For the 750, right, I already show you the video, guys. Okay, I have the video right here. You can see how to withdraw profits from Binance Futures wallet. I already show you, I withdraw the money. Okay, how to withdraw the money, I already teach you. And now you can see yesterday, okay, this is actually April 3rd, not April 5th. Let me put it in there. Okay, you can see I also withdraw another $2,000. So if you total it up, it's going to be 3,800 withdraw, right? I deposit 6,500. Let's use the calculator. 6,500. This is, and then I withdraw 3,800. Let me delete this one. So my total investment now is 2,700, and you can see how much did we make. We already make $2,000 profit if I were to cut loss everything, right? But of course I'm not gonna cut loss everything. There is a funny comment on YouTube, guys. They are telling me that look at your floating loss, it's minus 1,000, it's minus 2,000. So what, man? It's not a real loss, it's a unrealized P&L. And of course, don't forget the BNB. We have some BNB here, and also the AntBot fees as well. You need to minus those two if you want to know your actual net profit. Now you might be asking, Eddie, where is your $2,000 go? You know, where did you withdraw it to? Actually, withdraw it into my Binance Earn. You can see here, I can get a little bit of interest. Now this $2,000 is meant for backup. Okay, for backup in case something happens, something, you know, like last time, right? We have a lot of floating loss. So I use this backup. I will put it in here later. If, let's say, I want to get out of the market, if I want to add another cover, so I will put it in there. Okay. You know, what you learn here are very expensive information, and nobody actually share it on YouTube. If you go watch, you know, Binance Futures on YouTube, nobody's teaching you this. Nobody. Okay, I'm telling you, nobody. Okay, even if they tell you, they don't even really know what they're doing. So be grateful and be blessed. Now if you're interested in AntBot, guys, again, I'm not paid. They don't give me anything, guys. They don't even pay me a single cent. Okay, I'm only referring you to the bot, and I do get some energies, okay, commission, which is, you know, you're not paying extra anyway. Okay, you can see my ID here. But if you help me out, right, if you want to get the bot anyway, why not use my code, right? So I give you a bonuses. You know, I already made the video as well. Where did I make the video here? Okay, I give you some bonuses if you know, help support this channel. Of course, they are not paying me to say something good. You know, if the bot is bad, I will tell the bot is bad. But so far the bot is good, and I see most people, right, who get liquidated, it's not the bot fault. It's either the market or themselves. They are using too high of leverage. Sometimes there is technical issue, you know, the API binding issue. You know, there is maybe when the market is too volatile, the bot cannot execute the price properly. So you need to keep that in mind as well. You know, at the end of the day, when I put money in here, right, when I put money in here, is the money that I can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, this is futures, guys. Okay, there is risk to it, and you always can get liquidated. You know, me personally, I would just put 20% of my income every month, let it rotate. You know, I don't care what's gonna happen. So it just make me have a peace of mind. Now, if you see here on the 29 winning days, you can see the proof, everything. Okay, this is the data from Binance itself. Okay, you can see that right there. You can see that, right? A little bit update. Okay, now my total investment is 2,700. When something happen, when the floating loss is high, when I have a lot of floating later, I will share it to you guys, you know. Of course, I'm gonna input this data into here. Let me show you how I input the data. So 90.4686603 22.31107899 Binance 6455. Okay, of course the data and AntBot could be different, guys. Now if you see the AntBot data here is different, right? I will tell you soon why it's different. April 2nd. Okay, so why this is different? Because sometimes I do manual trading. Okay, I don't use the bot 100%. You know, sometimes I do manual trading. Okay, this one, if you see there is different, it is because Binance, okay, there is fee in Binance. There is trading fees, there is funding fees. So Binance is your net profit. Okay, it's already included the fees. And if you see Binance higher than AntBot, meaning that, you know, I'm doing manual trading. If you see Binance is lower than AntBot, it means that there is fee, okay, funding fee and futures trading fees. Okay, again, I make a lot of videos already. You can watch it, how to get 10% discount on Binance Futures fee, and I have lots of video in here, guys. If you're interested, I'll put a link down below. Again, this is just my quick update on AntBot and my capital, because later, okay, later I cannot show you any more of this transfer because I think they are capped. Okay, guys, I cannot change the date anymore later. Look at this. If I change to, okay, I will try this. Okay, see, you can see that I cannot show you more than 3 months later. So if you want to see the proof, right, you can go back to this video because I just want to show you the proof right here. Okay, you can slow down this video, you can pause it, whatever it is, because, you know, I see some stupid comment. Let me show you this. You know, look at this comment, guys. And your wallet showing minus 420 balance. This guy never even do Binance Futures at all. You know, this is funny people. Okay, another frequently asked question, guys, you can see here. The app has 10k download but no rating. How can we be aware that it's 100% not a scam? Okay, so talking about scam, right? And do we need to know who is behind AntBot? The answer is no, guys. Why? Because our money is on Binance. Okay, our money is on Binance. People who are asking this question is probably they are scared that, you know, AntBot is gonna, you know, when they top up the energy, and then of course you top up the energy, you cannot change it back to USDT. So people are afraid that they will get scammed for their $100. If you even scared to spend $100, you know what? This is not for you. I was like, if you're hesitant, definitely don't do it. It's a basic rule, you know. It's so basic, right? If you're not put your money into something, if you're not sure, don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Okay? Don't do it. And me personally, I just put 20%. If I lost that 20% of my monthly income, I was like, what the hell? So what, right? My 20% of my money income will go somewhere anyway, right? I either spend it on something, I either buy stupid food, I either buy stupid gadget. I know I shouldn't react to this kind of people, but you know, those kind of people exist, guys. I just want to make sure people do this thing comfortably. Again, they are not forced, and you know, I'm not forcing you or anything. Again, this is just something what I do, right? What I do, what I share. And in fact, people who have been doing Binance Future, well, sometimes when they watch my video, they're kind of like, you know, getting a holy grail. You know, they're getting gold. This is gold mine. Okay, the information. You should be thankful. Should be grateful. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for this AntBot review, and hopefully it kind of helped you make a decision. Again, it's up to you though.